Hi, I'm Ken from Easy Test Pools, and today we're going to be asking the question, where should I buy my robotic pool cleaner? First, we'll talk about some of the advantages of your traditional brick and mortar store. Generally, you've built a relationship with the store, either with the owner or the manager, and you trust them and their products. You're helping support a local business, which in turn supports the local economy. You can take advantage of showrooming, which generally means you can touch, feel, and sometimes even demo the units. And usually they have longer warranties, especially on the units priced greater than $1,200. Some of the disadvantages are the price. Units are generally priced higher in the stores. Time and convenience. It takes time to drive there and purchase. It may be inconvenient to visit stores due to the hours of operation or distance from your house. Some of the advantages of an online store are the lower price. Units are generally warehoused in various locations across the country. You have the one-stop shop, research and buy all at the same time, and convenience. The product will arrive on your doorstep. Some of the disadvantages are the shorter warranties. Usually they top out at 1 to 2 years. If the unit needs to be repaired, it will have to be shipped either to a warranty station or to the manufacturer, and this can sometimes cause excessive downtime if it does need to be repaired. A couple tips. Always keep the box the robot came in case the unit is required to be sent back for repairs. And always keep your receipt in case of any warranty questions. The purchase date generally starts the warranty clock. What you're looking for, price, service, or value, each channel fulfills a different needs for the consumer. Like most trade-offs, what worked best for you dictates which channel you pick. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you feel so inclined, please like, comment, share, find us on Facebook and subscribe if you haven't already, or click the bell notification to receive our most updated content. This is Ken from Easy Test Pool Supplies, and as always, thanks for watching.